Hi guys, Afsheni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. So guys, today we are going to talk about a beauty salon business. So if you are new, please do consider to subscribe, to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video, because I'm all about sharing business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. And if you are not new, please do consider to like, share and to comment as well. So guys, today I'm not going to talk much because we all know how a salon operates. So I'm just going to be brief and tell you things that I feel that is very important for you to know before you can start a beauty salon. So let's jump to it. So the first thing that you are going to need, it is to have a business plan. You need to make sure that you have a business plan before you can start, because you are going to invest a lot of money. So you need to make sure that you won't regret as time progresses. So you need to plan properly. Your business plan should include your company name, the logo, the equipment that you are going to need, how much you are going to need for you to start. So you need to include those important things, guys. So the second thing that you are going to need, it is to actually acquire experience. You need extensive experience when it comes to this particular business, because your business is all about bringing out the best look out of your clients. So you need to make sure that you are experienced, because your clients will come to you not looking good, but as they leave, they need to look ravishing. So guys, please try by all means that you acquire experience, and you can get experience by volunteering in one of the salons that you like, or you can find somebody to teach you, and that experience will also help you when it comes to customer complaints, because they complain day in, day out. So you need to make sure that you get yourself some experience before you can start operating. So guys, the third thing that you are going to need, it is to find the best location. Location is very important when it comes to a beauty salon, because you don't want to start your salon where people will be supporting you. You want to start it in a busy areas. So guys, try by all means that you find the best location for your business. So the fourth thing that you are going to need, it is to rent out a place. You found a location, now you need to rent out. You need to make sure that you rent out a nice open place whereby you'll be able to fit in all the equipment that you are going to need. So I'm not sure if you are okay, if you start small, there's no need for you to register your company, but if you start big, you want to start big, you will need to register your company, guys. Please keep that in mind as well. So guys, you finish at your shop, it looks nice. Now the things that you're going to need, it is the equipment. The equipment, we all know it, guys. You need your dryers, we need your towels, we need your combs. So guys, we need all those equipments, your creams, all those equipments that we've seen in a beauty salon. So that is what you actually need. You also need people to work for you, because you cannot operate it by yourself, unless if you're still starting up, maybe you've got like few clients, you can, but as time progresses, you will need people to work with. So please make sure that the people that you hire, they are experienced and they know what they are doing, because you don't want your clients to complain each and every day. Please try by all means to make sure that they know what they are doing, guys. So that's it for today. I'm going to come back with another video whereby we'll be discussing business ideas that we can start as South Africans. And guys, please do consider this business, because it has a lot of money. We've seen how busy they are, especially on weekends and month ends. So please guys, let's consider this business, because it's mostly run by people from other African countries. So let's try it out as South Africans and start to make money by ourselves. I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Hi.